watching cat videos. Wait, can I make it bigger? Yes, I can. We're gonna be watching cat videos, and if you like watching cats, you should subscribe to the awesome. Let's get into it. Is that a cat?
Well, don't stand there.
Anybody here? Me! I want to be here!
Where the hell did you come from, buddy?
Yes, sir.
Jason! What? Is that a cat?
Yes, sir.
Oh! What are you gonna do? You opened up the air! How did you do that? Is that a cigarette? What a cigarette? Is the cat gonna take a cigarette? He took the cigarette!
What's up, Earl? What's up?
Earl? I like Earl.
Let him know. Yeah.
No!
Put this on a poster. You know how like a lot of words like
Oh, God, please no! Keep on.
like
Oh, why'd the cat do that?
Oh! I got that on video.
You did? Where? Oh, why is the cat scared of the donuts?
Oh, that's a good kitty, I say as I pet on Kitty. No, I'm evil Kitty. Said evil Kitty.
Hey, come on.
What's that? Ah! No! Not into the grinder! No! Where'd he go?
Go get it! It's gone. Go get. Oh.
Nessun gatto da questa cosa qua.
Oh, you... Oh! Stupid cat! Oh my God, there's a bird. I'm scared. There's a bird. Where's he going? What's the cat gonna do?
Sometimes I think.
Does he think?
And
Why
then
is
I
Bro
forget.
not the thinker, bro?
Jesus Christ! Why? Why?
Ah! It hurt! It hurt! I'm going insane! Oh, where'd the cat go?
This is what you could end up looking like if you eat some of the raw, frozen
I would never
shrimp
do that!
being sent to the United
thinking that right
States
now.
by other
I
countries.
would never do that.
That's amazing.
What's the cat doing?
you know what I'm saying? There was always differences me and Sean when I was younger and shit, so
Oh my God, there's a cat. He's so dumb right now.
Now, why do you make me hold you like this? What do you... You got your clutch, you got your brake, you got your throttle, you got your gear lever, AFR gauge, fan switch, steering wheel, you got all that?
Oh, brother! This guy stinks!
Don't. A good cat. Good cat. You see it? Alright guys, I think that's a perfect place to end it. If you like this video and other videos on my channel, you should subscribe. See you next time, low gangers. Peace